Hey everyone, I'm Brett, the founder and CEO of Gatsby, and in this short video, we'll walk through how to connect Gatsby with your Sendlane account. So step one is to head into your Sendlane account, go to Settings and then API, and go ahead and generate a new API token. Give this the name of your store. I'm gonna call mine Gatsby Coffee, and click Create. Copy this API token into your mouse, and we're gonna head into Gatsby to paste it. So in Gatsby, you're gonna go to the top right, go to integrations, scroll down to Sendlane, click connect, and drop that API token in the first field. The second piece of data you want is your list ID. This is the list that you're gonna be syncing your Gatsby data into in Sendlane. So for that, head back into Sendlane, go to audience, and go to lists. We're gonna choose list 5 today, Gatsby Coffee to Go. So head back here and push down number 5. Lastly is the custom integration token. So for that, head back to Sendlane, head to integrations. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll out a little bit. Head to integrations, and then choose the custom one right here. You may have something here, you may not. Either way, go ahead and click on Add Store and fill out your details for your store. So mine's gonna be called Gatsby Coffee. And I'm going to put my store URL in here. I'm going to say gatsby-coffee to go.myshopify.com. And I'm going to click on continue. Once that's done, it will create my site here. Click on the gear icon and copy that token into your mouse. That'll be the last piece of data you need. Paste that right here and click integrate. Just like that, you'll see a success message. This will change to a disconnect button, and you'll be good to go. Any questions, please reach out to us, and we are happy to help. Thank you.